channel. So I just want to give you guys a disclaimer before we jump into the video. So today's video is going to be organizing my refrigerator. And I just want to let you guys know, my stuff does not stay organized all the time. The first picture that you're going to see is what my refrigerator looks like before I go to the grocery store. No one in my family, no one in this house loves organizing as much as I do, obviously. So I'm in the process of like trying to teach them and teach my kids and my husband how to organize, but for the most part, it's me that has to maintain the organizing systems that I've put into place. So, you know, when it comes to organizing your home, don't feel like it's supposed to stay that way forever. What we have to learn, and I'll talk a little bit more in depth about this in another video, but basically, once you have organized a space, you really just have to maintain it. So for instance, in regards to my refrigerator, it literally looks like that every week, by the end of every week. But what I have to do is, once we go grocery shopping and we have new stuff that goes into the refrigerator, that's then my opportunity to maintain and to put things back in place. It gets frustrating at times, I'm not even gonna lie, but you know, that's my sanity, that's my peace. So if that's what I want to receive and that's what I want to have in my house, then I have to be the one to do that. I have to be the one to maintain that. So I just want you guys to just have a realistic thought and idea when it comes to organizing. It's not supposed to stay lined up, straight, all that, you know, forever. It's going to get messed up, especially if you have kids. So it's just really about maintaining it. So I just wanted to give you guys that disclaimer, you know, that my refrigerator does not stay pretty and stay neat all week. But literally by like Wednesday or Thursday, it's a hot mess, because we go grocery shopping normally on Saturdays or Sunday morning. So, you know, enjoy the video. I hope you guys like it, and talk to you soon. Bye, guys. All right, guys, so here's what the refrigerator typically looks like by Wednesday or Thursday of every week. You see my vegetables are not in the proper bins. You will see food just on different types of shelves, beverages on different shelves. My dressings are out of place. It's just an unorganized refrigerator to me. And I want to keep it organized. I try and keep it organized for the simple fact of, by Wednesday or Thursday, the kids are saying, oh, I'm hungry. There's nothing to eat. I can't find anything. So it's really important for me to start off our week with an organized refrigerator. So you guys know what I normally do. I took everything out and cleaned off the shelves just using warm water and soap, and that's it. And here's what it looks like at the end. So I have all my beverages on the top shelf. My second shelf is all my leftover food. I want my family to see that on the second shelf, there's the food that you're looking for. No questions asked. That's where everything stays. The third shelf is full of dairy, cheeses, breakfast items, and the last shelf is beverages. And I started to do this especially since Ryan is now old enough to get his own drinks and things like that. And then just my two drawers has my fruit and my vegetables. I used to have bins inside of there, but I no longer do. You can catch and find all those clear bins at Target, all different kinds of places. I always keep a pack of condiments. I'm sorry, like I will forever, ever keep a pack of condiments. That stuff comes in handy when you're packing lunches. And I just organized everything, just to kept everything together. And that was it. It's so easy and it's very simple to do. I encourage you to do it. I think your family and you will love having an organized fridge. Again, you can find those bins at your local Home Goods. You can find them at dollar stores, Targets, everywhere. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.